China has offered 500,000 doses of a coronavirus vaccine to its ally Pakistan, an apparent response to the rolling out of supplies by India for its neighbors and key partners, including 3 million doses delivered to Bangladesh and Nepal on Thursday. Two Indian flights carried 2 million doses of Covishield to Dhaka and 1 million doses to Kathmandu. People familiar with matters said on condition of anonymity that supplies would be sent to Seychelles 50,000 doses, Mauritius 1 lakh doses and Myanmar 1.5 million doses on Friday. 7 countries Bhutan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal, Seychelles, Myanmar and Mauritius are part of India's initial rollout of vaccines as assistance. There are plans to supply doses to Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. The people added commercial supplies of Covishield to several countries that have agreements with the Serum Institute of India will also begin Friday. 2 flights will carry 2 million doses each to Brazil and Morocco. After a phone conversation with his Chinese counterpart, Wang Yi, Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi announced on Thursday that Beijing has gifted 500,000 doses of Sinopharm vaccine as aid. Pakistan is currently the world's most populous country that hasn't rolled out a vaccine drive. It is also the only country in the region to have approved the Sinopharm vaccine for emergency use. The approval for Sinopharm earlier this week come days after Pakistan cleared the AstraZeneca vaccine. In Kathmandu, while handing over vaccine supplies to Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, Indian envoy Vinay Mohan Kwatra said this reflected India's neighborhood first policy in action. Oli thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Indian government for the generous grant. Observers have noted that India speedily rolled the aid despite the massive requirements of its own vaccine drive that began on January 16. The assistance came against the backdrop of China's efforts to forge cooperation in fighting COVID-19 with South Asia by holding meetings with Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh since last year.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.